Hello students, in this session let us learn the poem Beauty. Look at the picture or the scenery what I am going to show in the next slide and try to describe it in 3 to 4 sentences, and you have to write your sentences in your workbook. Look at the slide and try to describe it in 2 to 3 sentences of your own. I'm going to keep this slide for the next 2 minutes. So you have 2 minutes to describe and write about it. Well students, I hope you have described the scenery in your own words. Now share what you have written with your teacher and your friends. And next, let us learn the poem Beauty. Before proceeding to the poem, let us add up words to our vocabulary. It's time to add up words to our vocabulary. Now students, guess the meaning of the word sigh with the help of the picture. Share your answer with the teachers and students. And the meaning of the word sigh is to emit a long breath. Students, now let's read the poem. Keep your textbook open and follow my reading. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. I'm going to read again. Please follow my reading. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Now it's time for you to read the poem and read the poem aloud. Well, students, now read the poem silently and try to understand what the poem is conveying. I'm going to keep this open for the next 2 minutes. Please read the poem and understand what the poem conveys. And next you have a task on the basis of your reading. Now check whether you have understood the poem by answering the following question. The poem Beauty has 3 stanzas, and each stanza has different themes. In one stanza, poetess explain about beauty seen. In another stanza, poetess explain about beauty heard. In another stanza, poetess explain where we can find the beauty. So now your task is to match the stanza theme with their sequence. Here are the sequences. Is it 2, 3, 1 or 3, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3? Well, I hope you have answered, and the correct answer is 1, 2, 3. It's the correct sequence. In the first stanza, the poetess explain beauty seen. In the second stanza, poetess explain beauty heard. In the third stanza, poetess explain where we can find the beauty. Now let us understand the first stanza. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Poetess explains, beauty can be seen in the sunlight. As you can see on the screen, the morning sunrise will be beautiful to see, and it gives a delightful experience. So in the morning sunrise, you can find the beauty in the sunlight, and even during the sunset, you can find the beauty in the sunlight. And you can find the beauty in the sunlight when it passes through the trees. And even the beauty is seen in the sunlight when the rainbow is formed over the sky. And the poetess also tells that the beauty can be found in the trees, or it can be seen in the trees. We can see the beauty in the trees when they blossom, when they were full with the fruits, when they bear the fruits. We can see the beauty in the trees when the birds sits on them. And we can see the beauty in the colors of varied colors of the leaves of the trees. We can also see the beauty in the trees when the children play under that. And even the beauty can be seen when you take rest after playing under the shade of the tree. Beauty can also be seen in the birds when they fly high in the sky, and beauty can also seen in the birds in their colors. Beauty can be seen when they fly high in the sky in groups, and beauty can be seen when the peacock dances. That's how we can see the beauty in birds. And even the beauty can be seen in the growing corns. As you can see in the picture, when the farmer is satisfied with the crop grown, the beauty can be seen then. And the beauty can be seen when the crops germinate and grows up. And beauty can be seen when the crops stands for the harvest. And even beauty can be seen when the people are working for the harvest, working in the field for the harvest, happy and contented. Even the beauty can be seen when they dance for their harvest. During the time of the harvest, there is a tradition to celebrate it, and during that celebration, the people will dance for their harvest. That's how the beauty can be seen according to the poet. Now it's time for you to give some more example where the beauty can be seen. You can add up to the examples what the poetess has given and the examples what I have given, and share those examples with your teacher and friends. I hope this video will help you to understand the first stanza of the poem. Thank you.